Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today fix a problem for Steam error 420. If the error showing, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for check the internet connection. Okay, you will connect or not connect. You will check the internet connection. Okay, you will connect it to you will check the internet speed for the floor. It's normally working. Anyone router issues, you will get check. Go to the second step for run as admin Steam. Okay, then you will tell it to then right click to properties. You will check the compatibility. Then you will enable for run program as an administrator to check to apply. Click to OK. Then you will set a step for to get check this error for fixed. You can enjoy the game or not. Still we can do the next step. Okay, then go to the third step for uninstall the Steam. Then it is the best solution for the uninstalled Steam only. Or you will reset under any file, you will get delete any you will deleted method you will not responding. Then you will get click to the apps, click to the installed apps, then see the Steam application you will get uninstalled to get reinstalled the Steam. Then this you will get login. You can take this here for fix this problem. Okay, then anyone doubt to print the command and thank you for watching.